guys? Welcome to a real quick tutorial on the floss. This came as a request from Logan Ramirez, who pops into my streams and is on my YouTube channel. And Logan has been requesting for weeks that I do a tutorial on the floss. Now there's lots of tutorials out there, so it's not something that I really delved into, but because you requested it, I'm gonna give it to you, okay? So here you go, guys. This is a quick breakdown on how to do the floss. Don't forget, next time you are in the item shop for Fortnite, make sure that you use code DANCEPROFESSOR. Hook up your boy and support the channel. Super appreciate it. And join me on my live streams. I have a free hip-hop class that's available to everybody. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description box below. Okay, so basically there's two parts to the floss, okay? You have your hands and you have your hips, okay? And they're going to be moving in kind of opposite directions. I want you to think of having a box drawn around you. I'm standing on some tiles right here, okay? So pretend that there's a really large box that's around your body, okay? First thing we're going to do is we're going to do our hands. So hands are going to be out here like this. You got them in fists, okay? And when you pull them, you're always going to have one hand that's going to be behind you and one hand that's in front of you. Think about going to the upper right-hand corner of your box first. Boom, just like that. Then you're going to pull it, boom, back here to the back bottom left corner of your box, okay? So that's going to be the first move you do, is you're going to go to the back corner, go to the front corner, and then switch to now the upper left corner of your box. Do the same thing again. You're going to go pull and switch. Pull and switch. Let me face the back. It looks like this, so then that way you don't have to reverse anything. If you're starting over here on your upper right-hand corner of your box, you're going to go pull to the left, right, switch. Pull and switch. Pull and switch. Pull and switch. Now the next part is going to be your hips, okay? You want to make sure that you push your hips forward as you pull your hands back. So that's what I mean by opposition. So if the hands are going back, your hips are going forward, and it goes like this constantly, okay? And you're just hitting opposite corners of your box. So start out this way and stick your hips out. Now you're going to pull them forward. You're going to go out, switch. And when you switch, your hands go to this corner, your hips go to the back corner here, okay? Then you're going to pull and switch. If that feels a little funky for you, that's normal. Just keep practicing. Remember, repetition is your best friend. Let's try that again, guys, like this. 7, 8, go pull and switch. Pull and switch. Pull and switch. Pull and switch. Go faster with it now. Pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and switch. Now go even faster. Pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and switch. And then you can just have fun with it and keep doing it as many times over and over again as you need to. I'm going to face the back again, okay? Kind of like you're standing behind me at a dance studio. Let's try it like that. Ready? 6, 7, go. Pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and switch. Pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and switch, pull and hit. Woo! Okay. So there you go. That is a quick breakdown on the floss. If you guys got any other dance moves or emotes or any other things that you want to learn, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will put them on my dance tips and tricks tutorial playlist for you guys to learn. We've got glides, there's breakdancing moves, whatever you guys want. You let me know and I will do it. Thanks again for watching, guys. I will see you next time. The Dance Professor out.